Hey guys, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you Shopify versus Squarespace, which is the best e-commerce platform. So let's get started. We're comparing two of the most popular e-commerce platforms, Shopify and Squarespace. If you're deciding which one is the best for your business, stick around as we break down the features, pricing, and performance of each. So now let's start with what are Shopify and Squarespace. So Shopify is a platform designed to specifically build scalable online stores. Its features include inventory management, product editing, and staff management, perfect for growing e-commerce business. And now Squarespace, on the other hand, is primarily a website builder. While it does support online stores, its main focus is on creating visually appealing websites for content-driven brands. And now let's head over to the pricing. So for Shopify, these are your pricing plans. And take note that this is yearly and this one is for monthly. So of course you'd be able to save if you go for yearly right here, but you'd have to pay a big amount first hand so that you'd be able to avail the lower price for monthly. And this is the prices right here. And this is for the basic plan of Shopify. And then for the Shopify standard right here, for the advanced, and the plus one for more complex business right here. So depending if you are a solo entrepreneur, small team, business, or a more complex business right here, you can choose your plan right here. So yeah, these are the features that you would get per plan. So you can just evaluate it right there. And you could also go for alternative solutions for your business. You have your starter right here. You can sell instantly through social media and messaging apps or simple online store. You have your retail and your enterprise e-commerce. And now here we are on Squarespace. The first plan right here, which is the basic plan, which is only $16 per month annually. But this doesn't support you selling online. It doesn't support e-commerce. So if you would want e-commerce, you would have to go here into your business plan right here, which is $23 per month. And you would have your e-commerce store right here as stated. So you have your online store transaction fee at 0%. You can sell products and services, send invoices for free, sell content and memberships, and so on. So this is the plan right here if you would like to sell. So it's a $6 difference right here compared to the basic plan of Shopify and the business plan of Squarespace right here. And for the plus plan right here, you have $39, and for the advanced plans, you have $99 right here, and you get all of the functions here in Squarespace. And this is the monthly prices right here. It's still much lower than Shopify right here, so it's much higher and so on. And now next, let's go to customization and features. So for Shopify, it offers complete HTML access for full customization and over 6,000 third-party app integrations. And Squarespace, on the other hand, it limits advanced customization to third-party tools like Git and has fewer app integrations. And now let's move on to the SEO and marketing tools of each platforms. So both platforms supports SEO, but Shopify provides more advanced tools like an automated metadata suggestions and faster page loading speeds, key factors for search engine ranking. And Squarespace integrates Google Analytics but lacks third-party SEO app support. And now in terms of payment processing, Shopify with over 100 payment gateways and exclusive features like Shopify Capital Loans. And now for Squarespace, it is limited to PayPal and Stripe for payment processing, but you'd also have your essentials like your credit card payments and so on. So as you can see right here, these are the available payments: Pay, Klarna, Afterpay, ACH, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. But if you would like more payment options than this, then Shopify is the answer. And now the big question is, which one should you choose? If you need a content-focused website with e-commerce as a secondary feature, Squarespace might be your go-to. However, if your primary goal is to create a scalable online store, Shopify is hands down the better choice. So yeah, that is basically it for this quick video on which one you should choose for your e-commerce store, Shopify or Squarespace. I hope I helped you get the answer that you needed. Thank you for watching.